Continuous of the video, the first video I made when the motor was installed. We had failure, shift linkage bent, this plate broke this lip right here because the shift linkage busted that lip. Put everything together, try to install the lower unit. Lower unit wouldn't line up. Shaft was touching here, shift shaft was touching this area right here. I showed it in the first video. Motor mount was the culprit of causing all this issue. I put it back in. This is my first time doing an outboard. Reading on the forums, this and that. There's no video, so I decided to make this video and show you how to tell if you have a bad motor mount. So my motor mount was bad. I didn't know. Flew below the radar. Tried to put the lower unit. Didn't want to go in. So now I'm here, and I'm going to show you how a bad motor mount looks like. So that's the old mount. See how I have it on top of that? Well, originally it needs to be like this. These bosses, these metals in here have to be welded onto the rubber has to be molded into the bosses, these metal bosses. They cannot be sliding in and out. What was happening with mine, the bosses came off the rubber, damaged already. See right there, those are the bosses, and motor will move back and forward, sliding on the bosses. So now this is the old one, this is the new one, how it's supposed to be. Those bosses need to be on the rubber. Bosses are bad on these. Garbage. This is how it's supposed to be. The bosses has to be all in one piece. Look at that. And that's it. Problem will be fixed. Put everything back together. We're on the water. That's simple. But this simple part broke that plate, $700. Bent the shift shaft. I bent it back to place. And that's how I learned that I had motor mount issue. I have the part number. It is a Mercury 90. This is the part number for the motor mount. Top motor mount that goes under the oil pump. Thanks for watching, and to further knowledge.